How to fix the issue with promo codes on Uber Eats. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with promo codes on Uber application. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now, when you place an order on Uber Eats and try to use the promo code for a discount, you are seeing this issue. Now, this might be because the promo code might be expired, so it is not being applied. So, for that, what you can do is simply search for a new promo code, or it might also be the issue with the server of Uber Eats. So, wait for some time and then try again with new promo code. If your problem is still not solved, you're suggested to update the Uber Eats application in your mobile device. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with promo codes on Uber Eats application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.